Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on the Vivo X200. Alright, so let's begin. So I just downloaded my WhatsApp to show you the whole process. So simply get into your WhatsApp. In here, select the language, click on agree and continue. Now you need to type your phone number, so that's what I'm gonna do now. So please give me a few seconds. Okay, and once it's verified, in here you can allow to give access WhatsApp to your contacts, messages and photos. I'll just allow for all. And now, as you can see, we have restore your chats. Below we have how long ago it was made, the last backup. In my case it's 8 minutes ago. Below also we have the size, 1.2 megabytes, and the account on which it was created. Okay, so now all you need to do is to simply click on restore. Now the process has started, so we need to wait until it gets to 100%. Okay, and now as you can see, 10 messages restored, your media will restore in the background. So we just need to simply click on next. In the profile info, simply type your name, and also if you want you can add your profile photo. I'll just leave how it is like now. Now simply click on next. And now, as you can see, all of the messages, including the photos and the videos, have been successfully restored. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.